It's your boy Craig coming at you with another video. Doing this rare player pack. Going for 50k or $7.99 with a season ticket pass. Confirm that purchase. Let's see what we get. Come on, Crosby! Crazy for Crosby, son. I'm crazy for Crosby. Oh man, come on. Don't keep me waiting. Just give me Crosby. Give me a star of the week at least. Come on. I got one star of the week out of like 8 packs now or something. This is craziness. Holy shit, nothing. Fucking nothing. Man, I don't know. I don't know what's supposed to be rare about these guys. It's not what I'm expecting. Seabrook. So you can see 85. Oh, Pavlik. Whatever. It's nothing special in my opinion. Alright, good luck with your packs, boys.